Consulting is a professional service that involves providing expert advice to organizations or individuals to help them solve problems, improve performance, and achieve their goals. Consultants are hired for their specialized knowledge, skills, and experience in a particular area, such as business, technology, management, finance, or human resources. Key concepts in consulting. 1. Types of consulting. Management consulting focuses on helping organizations improve their overall performance, strategy, and operations. Consultants work on issues like organizational structure, process improvement, and strategic planning. IT consulting involves advising organizations on how to use information technology to achieve their business objectives. This can include system implementation, digital transformation, and cybersecurity. HR consulting deals with human resources management, including recruitment, talent management, employee training, and organizational culture. Financial consulting provides expertise on financial planning, investment strategies, risk management, and mergers and acquisitions. Strategy consulting helps companies develop long-term strategies to gain a competitive advantage. This often involves market analysis, growth strategies, and business model innovation. Operations consulting focuses on improving the efficiency and effectiveness of business operations. This can include supply chain management, production processes, and cost reduction. 2. Role of a consultant. Problem identification. Consultants work with clients to identify the root causes of problems or challenges within the organization. Analysis. They conduct thorough research and analysis to understand the situation and gather relevant data. Solution development. Based on their analysis, consultants develop solutions or recommendations to address the identified problems. Implementation. In some cases, consultants also assist with implementing the solutions, ensuring that the recommended changes are effectively integrated into the organization. Evaluation. After implementation, consultants may evaluate the results to ensure that the desired outcomes have been achieved and make any necessary adjustments. 3. Client engagement. The process begins with a client reaching out to a consulting firm or consultant with a specific problem or need. The consultant and client discuss the project scope, objectives, and expectations. Proposal and contract. The consultant submits a proposal outlining the approach, timeline, and cost. Once agreed upon, a contract is signed. Data collection and analysis. The consultant gathers data through interviews, surveys, observations, and reviewing documents. This data is analyzed to identify patterns, issues, and opportunities. Recommendation development. Based on the analysis, the consultant develops tailored recommendations and action plans to address the client's needs. Implementation support. The consultant may help the client implement the recommendations, providing guidance, training, and monitoring progress. Review and follow-up. After implementation, the consultant reviews the outcomes with the client and may provide ongoing support or adjustments as needed. 4. Skills required for consulting. Analytical skills. Ability to analyze data, identify trends, and draw meaningful insights. Problem solving. Ability to think critically and creatively to develop effective solutions. Communication skills. Ability to clearly convey ideas, both verbally and in writing, to different audiences. Interpersonal skills. Ability to build relationships, work with diverse teams, and influence stakeholders. Project management. Ability to manage multiple tasks, timelines, and deliverables. Industry knowledge. Deep understanding of the specific industry or area in which they are consulting. 5. Consulting firms. Boutique firms. Small firms that specialize in a particular industry or type of consulting, e.g., IT consulting, HR consulting. Mid-sized firms. These firms offer a range of consulting services but are smaller than the large global firms. Large global firms, well-known firms that provide a wide range of consulting services across multiple industries and geographies, e.g., McKinsey & Company, Boston Consulting Group, Deloitte. 6. Consulting engagement models. Project-based consulting. Consultants are hired for a specific project with defined objectives and a fixed timeline. Retainer-based consult. The client pays a recurring fee for ongoing access to consulting services over a longer period. Interim management. Consultants take on temporary management roles within the client organization, usually during a transition period. Advisory services. Consultants provide ongoing advice and support, often without the implementation responsibility. 7. Challenges in consulting. Client expectations. Managing client expectations and ensuring alignment between the consultant's recommendations and the client's vision. Change management. Helping clients navigate resistance to change and ensuring successful implementation of recommendations. Maintaining objectivity. Consultants must remain impartial and avoid becoming too influenced by internal politics or pressures. Time and resource constraints. Delivering high quality work within tight deadlines and limited resources. 8. Ethics in consulting. Confidentiality. Consultants must protect the confidentiality of client information and not disclose it without permission. Conflict of interest. Consultants should avoid situations where their objectivity could be compromised due to competing interests. Integrity. Consultants must provide honest, accurate advice and not compromise their professional standards for financial gain. Number 9. Trends in consulting. Digital transformation, increasing demand for consulting services related to digitalization, automation, and AI. Sustainability consulting, growing focus on helping organizations adopt sustainable practices and meet environmental goals. Diversity and inclusion, consulting services aimed at promoting diversity, equity, and inclusion within organizations. Remote consulting, the rise of remote consulting services due to advancements in technology and the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. 10. Career path in consulting. Entry level typically involves roles like analyst or associate, where you learn the fundamentals of consulting and gain experience. Mid-level, progressing to roles like consultant or senior consultant, where you take on more responsibility and lead smaller projects. Moving up to manager, principal, or partner roles, where you manage larger projects, lead teams, and build client relationships. 11. Consulting certifications. Certified Management Consultant, CMC. This is a globally recognized certification that demonstrates expertise and professionalism in management consulting. It is awarded by organizations such as the Institute of Management Consultants and is considered a mark of distinction in the field. Project Management Professional, PMP. This certification is valuable for consultants involved in project management. It provides a strong foundation in managing projects, which is essential for many consulting roles, especially those that involve complex, large-scale projects. Six Sigma. This certification is useful for consultants specializing in process improvement and operational efficiency. Lean Six Sigma combines lean manufacturing principles with Six Sigma's focus on quality and defect reduction, making it ideal for consultants in operations consulting. 12. Consulting methodologies. SWOT analysis. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It is a strategic planning tool used by consultants to help organizations identify internal strengths and weaknesses as well as external opportunities and threats. This analysis helps in formulating strategies to leverage strengths, address weaknesses, capitalize on opportunities, and mitigate threats. Porter's 5 Forces. This framework, developed by Michael Porter, is used to analyze the competitive forces in an industry. The 5 forces include the threat of new entrants, the bargaining power of suppliers, the bargaining power of customers, the threat of substitute products or services, and the intensity of competitive rivalry. Consultants use this model to assess the attractiveness of an industry and to identify areas where an organization can achieve competitive advantages. Balanced Scorecard. The Balanced Scorecard is a performance measurement tool that evaluates an organization's performance across 4 key perspectives: financial, customer, internal processes, and learning and growth. Consultants use this tool to help organizations align their business activities with their vision and strategy and to monitor performance against strategic goals. Benchmarking involves comparing an organization's performance, processes, or practices with those of industry leaders or best-in-class companies. This method helps consultants identify areas where an organization can improve by learning from the best practices of others. Root cause analysis. This is a problem-solving method used to identify the underlying causes of an issue. By addressing the root cause rather than just the symptoms, consultants can develop more effective and sustainable solutions. 13. Conclusion. Consulting is a diverse and dynamic field that plays a critical role in helping organizations navigate complex challenges and achieve their strategic objectives. It requires a combination of specialized knowledge, analytical skills, and the ability to work effectively with clients. Whether you're looking to enter the field or hire a consultant, understanding the various aspects of consulting can help you make informed decisions and drive successful outcomes. From acquiring relevant certifications to mastering key methodologies, a career in consulting offers numerous opportunities for growth and impact across different industries.